rain cover. Explorer, it's the old one.
On se aika hyvän näköinen. Ja ei se näytä niin isolta kuin mä luulin.
It's not that big that I was thinking about it to be being 50 liters. But it's big enough. First impression, it's good, feels good. And the green isn't that bad. It's really actually nice. Let's take the monitor that I can see myself filming. My battery has died, so I needed to pick another one. I took my... This is just like packing cube on your electronics, which I don't have inside. You get like your drone charger and everything organized. Like this. It even shows on outside what it is for electronics. I have second one with clothes and stuff like that on the same series. Lovely purple color. Yeah, I needed to show you that you don't need to open this all the way. You just use this zipper. If I get it out of here, it's never used, so I need to get this stuff out for first time. This zipper, and you get the top access. And you have here instantly the pocket you can use for and the second pocket is like on other side. But yeah, just throw that in, it goes there, and you have still a lot of space. But yeah, let's put the cube in. My big design medium cube. This is just more padded than the one with supposed to come with the Shimoda one. And I already had this. I didn't want more stuff and paying more to get that. So inside here I have my old 6D with 70 to 200 lens. I have 15 to 30 2.8 lenses, wide lens. I have 90mm macro lens over here and not other stuff for now. So yeah, it is heavy now. It is, I think, 1/2, 3. It is like 5 kilos or 6 kilos. Just this for now. So how do I get this stuff inside here? I don't know why I speak like that now, being like Russian or something. I like to speak funny sometimes. Now you see, I put it on the bottom, on the top compartment over here. It is all the way down here. You only have this much space now, so I need to put that a little bit up there. This opens on both sides, and it is front side. So this is the side I need to use. Yep, that's the camera over there. So let's figure this thing out. I probably should do this, putting the camera hanging up, but for now I'm lazy. I'm just gonna move back here to show this thing to you. It's supposed to go just like this, I think. Hopefully this is going to go in here. I think I can cut this part off. This takes a while. I'm probably gonna break my camera equipment now. sometimes I think I need to think before doing stuff. Do you ever get that? Before you do stuff, you can think how to make life easier. Oh, actually, I emptied this out so I don't break those and it's not that heavy. Oh, this is even attached. I'm sometimes just stupid little piece of. Let's start again. Yeah, the big design medium cube goes inside. And it's there. Da 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 da. But now, let's figure out the side access thingy. So, opening this up. And I have this thing. I place it in here, like that. It's a little smaller, probably, than it is supposed to be on. Oh, I see. This is coming out. I need to cut that off. But yeah, it comes just a little bit out here. So it is the 1 or 2 centimeters too wide. But the camera goes here like this. My camera is over here and clickety-doo, it's inside the side access. And let's see if I get this close. Because I have this big design with this in the Shimoda, what is this back meant to be. It barely is like a little bit outside and it has some space on the bottom. I don't know if I get it on the bottom fully because it is a little bit round, this camera cube. I have some small space here to hide something from the TSA airport stuff, don't tell anyone. And this is like fat, being now the big design group thingy inside it, so this flap is hard to close. Hopefully I don't break it. Oh, my camera. But yeah, it's not that smooth anymore. So it's probably better to use the Shimoda packing cube, camera cube, just because it fits perfectly. It's like 2 centimeters narrower, and it looks like it's not that thick than this one. It works, and I'm gonna use this, but the side access isn't easy to use with this pack. I can use it, but I'm probably gonna use more the back access, which is, by the way, open. I didn't close that, and because of that I almost dropped my lens, which is it's 1200 euros, so I'm stupid. It didn't drop though this time, but don't tell anyone. You can see that with the lens not attached, I think you can see it's full wide of the back, and this comes stupidly a little bit like out of here, the back. Big design camera cube. I still have space up here, like if I wanna put something on here, like jacket or something I want with. Oh, except I can put my rain cover over here if I want to. And it's when I open this, I can take the rain cover and keep my stuff out of the water or something, or whatever I want. That's the beauty of life. You can do a lot of life, but not everything, like more murder. So you can do it, but it's not nice. this goes, it's closed, and it opens. So yeah, it works. I'm gonna do another video, my camera kit 2020 or something, because this video is probably now 30 minutes, just me showing off Shimoda X50 adventure pack and my b-roll coming in and stuff like that, so I need to do another video. Sorry guys. But I needed to show still some more stuff, so do you have like 1 hour? I now know why that one guy who makes the video in California and San Diego one, the back guy, what was the name? I love him. He makes like these little movies of these bags because it takes time. They have so much functionality on this. This is my like Penrow TMA 38CL carbon fiber tripod without the ball head now and the center column out. This isn't the new one, this is my old one. My new one is coming out. Which one? Which size? I think this is the camera pocket size. So let's take the pocket out like that. And Lulu is next to the camera. You don't see her, but she is watching me. Watching me doing this stuff. I can put it inside like mine. If I had the ball head here, I put it there. It doesn't look that, like, I don't know, people don't watch it that badly. If you have the ball head on airports or stuff, people watch it a lot. But if you don't have the sticks, people don't take that much notice. Then they have the rubber thing, which I need to get a little wider. You can't change the rubber things. It is what it is. There's no way to make it bigger. Okay, it doesn't go out on this tripod. It's bigger tripod. My new one is little smaller, so it goes around it probably. But the topper one keeps it on place. I haven't still tested how nice it feels. I don't have the stuff in it, so it doesn't. It is not 10 or. I usually have 15 or 16 kilos. Now I'm trying to go lighter with the mirrorless and smaller tripod and stuff. For now it feels nice, but I don't find my second part of this like now. I'm little fatty, so I don't get that. There's this part. It is nice feeling behind the back. I think I wanna get it a little bit lower. It is now up on my hips a little bit too far. And I think it's too close my neck. I need to get it down some bit. But I'm not gonna make it boring video. Except if it's already off. Yeah, that is the Shimoda pack. I will show you on the next video how I pack it and what I pack it with and stuff like that, and maybe the top loader with the camera and stuff like that, and how I pack it under less 10 kilos. So see you on that vlog, something like that, jibberish. Maybe click the bell, subscribe or something, maybe not. If you hate this, you can put the thumbs up twice, like every other YouTuber says. I need some originality on my videos. People always say that. Maybe I need to get table and pen over here that I don't need to do this on the floor. But on the floor, if I drop this, it doesn't maybe break because it's not far, but it is concrete tile floor. It is gonna break probably, the floor or the lens, because it is 1.5 kilos on one lens, and I have a couple of these, so it is like I have 9 kilos only of lenses, and the cameras and stuff, and drone is like 106 kilos with the remotes and everything. So this is expensive and heavy stuff, so need the backpack to keep it safe. I hope it's not that fat on my fifth back. Yeah, it feels good, but it doesn't have the load in it, so I only see what it is when I'm packing it full. See you on the next vlog with my just waking up phase. I need to go to breakfast. I'm probably gonna be late on work now. Yeah, I still have like 1.5 hours left. So I'm so bad with the time. Don't tell anyone. See you. And Lulu says bye. Don't eat my face.